Want to install a fence in just one weekend? Here's a quick and easy guide to get the job done. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Plan and measure. First, plan your layout and measure the area. Mark your fence line using stakes and string. Be sure to check your local regulations before starting. Step 2. Gather materials and tools. Gather everything you'll need. Fence panels, posts, screws, a post hole digger, concrete mix, and a level. Having your tools ready saves time. Step 3. Dig post holes. Now dig your post holes. They should be at least 1/3 the height of the post and evenly spaced along your fence line. Step 4. Set the posts. Ensure they're level and secure them with concrete. Let the concrete dry overnight for a solid foundation. Step 5. Attach the panels. Once the posts are sturdy, attach your panels. Use a level to keep everything straight and secure with screws. Step 6. Finishing touches. Finally, add finishing touches like stain or paint to protect your fence from the elements. And voila, you're done. That's it, a new fence in just one weekend. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more DIY tips. Should you require professional help, you can contact us on this number or on our website. See you next time.